Create viral travel route videos. Travel Boast Tutorial 2026. Want to create amazing travel videos that show a car or airplane moving from pickup to drop-off? In this video, I'll show you how to use Travel Boast step by step to create stunning animated travel route videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and travel agencies. Let's start. First, start by downloading the Travel Boast application. Open the Play Store, search for Travel Boast, and tap the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app. To begin, click on Start New Route. Then, select your pickup location. For example, here I'm choosing Newark. Next, choose your destination, in this case, Italy. You also have the option to add additional points if you want the route to pass through specific locations. After that, select your mode of transport. You can choose between a car, airplane, horse, and more, with different color options available. Finally, the app will generate your travel video, and you can save it directly to your device. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.